Okay, so today we're making one of my favorites, salmon with basil peas stew. This is with jasmine rice, Swiss chard, roasted red peppers, artichokes, dates, and pine nuts. This is literally like one of my favorites ever. It's just so good. So good. Pine nuts, you know, I like to prepare everything. This is the basil peas stew, but we won't open that yet. Got some garlic here. So I've got the Swiss chard, the roasted red peppers. Preheat the oven, 400. We need 1 cup of water. Okay. Okay, so we'll do salted water. Get the salmon, and we're going to put it on here. So now we're gonna get the Swiss chard, and we're going to get all the core from it. Fold this and let it go. Okay, so we got that one. And I know that we gotta put this all together. So now we roll it up. Here we go. So we roll it up like a cigar, and then we cut it up really thin, and you get some really good cuts in it by just cutting it thin. So we've done that. We gotta roughly chop these artichoke parts. And we gotta do the mincing of the garlic. Get to see my lovely chopping skills at work. Last thing is the dates. We're gonna make these small little cuts with these too. Everything is now prepared for my 30-minute cook. So I'm going to place the pine nuts in a dry medium oven safe pan for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Dry.
Starting now.
Okay, so let that do the thing. And then season with salt and pepper on these. So salt and pepper. Shake these babies up. Shake this baby up. Okay. A little bowl or something when it's done. Okay. Good toasting. Then we have to sear on for about 3 minutes on one side, then we flip. And we cook in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes until fully cooked. Then we have to, a large saute pan over medium-high heat with the veggies. 2 teaspoons.
Then
We'll do that simultaneously. See, I could like to even put all this together all in one thing.
yeah.
Well, the same thing anyway, why not? Once the pine nuts are done, we're gonna use that same pan, medium-high heat, 3 minutes. Put them in there. And then we do medium-high this time. We're gonna do a little bit of, just 2 teaspoons of cooking oil in the pan. We're gonna do it skin side up. Now this time, I'd like to prepare. Mix up this stuff. I think keep it here ready to go. Okay, and we're gonna flip this baby over. Okay. Alexa, set a timer for 6 minutes for the salmon. We'll put this in the oven. Okay. Then we're gonna get this one going on just medium. That's gonna be hot when it comes out, so you wanna be prepared. So that is 6 minutes in there. So now I wanna put in the chard, the roast red peppers, okay, season with salt and pepper, cook 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, here we go. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes for the veggies.
External. 3 minutes. Starting now.
Ready to go. Salt and pepper. Then we're just gonna cook this for 3 minutes until the Swiss chard is wilted. And then we're gonna put the rice in here. Okay, so that's done. Then the salmon will come out in 2 seconds. Put that there. Plate these. So we have to transfer the rice to the pan with the veggies. We have to add the dates and then 1 tablespoon of the basil pesto. 1 tablespoon of this. Jasmine rice. Mixed in with the veggies. And this is ready to go with that basil pesto. And then we get the salmon. And I'm gonna put the rice with veggies here and the salmon on top. Good thing I have the fan on, because last time I did this, I had 4 firemen at my house because I forgot to turn the fan on. That was fun. Yeah. All right. With some basil pesto on it. And then we got the basil pesto. Then we do basil pesto. There we go. Salmon with basil pesto. I shoot.